y'all, I'm back. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura and this is Feathers and Nest. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take the time to do that. I would really appreciate it. If you have already, welcome back. I would love to have you. Tonight, I got my latest IndieStitch box. So exciting. So tonight we're gonna open that. Now, I will tell you this, that I was just about to sew my last IndieStitch box. So I'm a little behind, but I'm gonna really be playing catch up over the next couple of weeks. In fact, I'm gonna be releasing a lot of content coming up. I've been working on brand new stockings for my whole family, which I have 4 kids, so it's 6 of us. Plus we have girlfriends, boyfriends, dog, all these things. So there's gonna be quite a few stockings, and I'm gonna show you how I did that all from remnants from Joanne. So that's kind of exciting. But I really hope you enjoy this unboxing. So let's get after it. Okay, let's see what we have here. It's kind of cold here in Austin. I'm not a big cold weather girl. That's why I live in Austin, right? So cold weather and especially it's like windy, like there's a cold wind coming at me and I'm like, okay, all right. So let's see what we have here. In the IndieStitch box. First off, this is the card. It's the Alley sweatshirt. The designer is the Sew Do-It-Yourself Patterns, Sew DIY. And these always come with this. And then there's a video tutorial and resources here. And then you get all kinds of fun stuff. So I believe what I picked is what I've got here, okay? So it's like a 2-tone option. I don't wear a lot of sweatshirts, but I think in this kind of weather, I totally would. And this isn't like super heavy. This is a, what did it say? A baby French terry. And this one is 69% rayon, 27% polyester, and 4% spandex. So I think this is gonna be super comfy. This is a black, it has like kind of a wash, almost like a stone wash to it. I don't know. It's really nice and it's ridiculously soft. I'm excited about that. And the other tone is this tan of the same stuff. And it's just so soft. So I think I will actually wear this a lot. What are my goodies? There's always goodies in a IndieStitch box. So I have matching thread, as you can see, and a brand new needle. They always include that, which is super nice because then you know exactly what kind of needle you're using and you have plenty of matching thread. Let's see. Oh, a seam gauge. I have one, but this is great to have another. Because you know, if you're like me, you get a pile of stuff and you're like, oh, I gotta find my seam gauge. Where's my seam gauge? And it's like hiding from you. But now I'll have 2 of them. So it's fantastic. Ooh. Some little snipper scissors. I could use these actually. These are fantastic. Love it. You can snip off threads and all kinds of things. And they're so cute. They're pink. They're cute and pink. Some caramels. Huh. Chocolate raspberry caramels from Annie B's. You can see that. Maybe I'll snack on these a little bit. As you know, I've been on my diet. I've been working super hard. So I started mid-September, now it's mid-December. So what is that, September? 3 months. And I have lost 38 pounds. I'm really telling a difference in everything I'm wearing. I'm going down in pattern sizes that I'm sewing. Yeah, and I just feel better. So that's exciting. It's exciting news. And then of course they give you the printed out pattern for the Alley sweatshirt, as you can see. So that's super nice because it's all printed on a paper. Yeah, so that's very exciting. I can't wait to get to that. In fact, my sewing plans coming up are, I have a couple of things to sew for gifts and I want to finish my stockings this week. And then I'm going to be working on the Paget plant, P-A-D-G-E-T, Paget pants from last month's IndieStitch. And then I think I'll start working on this month's IndieStitch. So I think that by Christmas, I should have all those things finished, which is kind of nice, you know, because lots of comfy things to wear, which I love comfy things to wear. So if there's things you'd like to see me sew, let me know. I'm about to teach some of my classes how to sew stockings and how to do several other techniques because, you know, I teach. And so we're going to do some of that. So that's exciting. But like I said, if you have the time to subscribe and like, I would love that. And I would love to see you back for more videos. And I'm going to be filming some this week, again, on my stockings, on the other gifts that I'm working on, and then on those 2 IndieStitch pieces. So we'd love to have you back soon. Hope you have a great day.